Hi, I'm Sabrina Bell. This is Group 18, and we're doing Lab 6. Our thesis is that a register is easily understood once we look at the small components that make it up. So the main point of Lab 6 is working with registers. We take data from the decoder and save it in our register. Then we read it to our mux, which outputs the data. These are two independent events, which means that you don't have to read from the register that you write to. But what is a register, and how do we make one? A register is a storage device. It holds a value that we assign to it. In our lab, we used D flip-flops to create it. On this page, we have the transition table for a 1-bit flip-flop. We could write out all the possibilities and simplify them to find our equation, but a Carnot map will provide the solution just as nicely. Here is our Carnot map. By now, we've had enough practice that I won't walk you through every single step. You can see that the 1s and 0s are in their proper places. To find the equation, we looked for the groups of 1s. First, we have D0 W0 Q and D W0 Q. The similarities here give us W0 Q. Then we have DWQ and DWQ0. From this, we get DW. Our equation is dW, or W0 Q.
Here we have the final design of a file register. We see a circuit that has a decoder with 8 4-bit registers, and we also see a 32 for mux. These are the inputs that will allow us to send data to a register, and these address lines will allow us to write to a specific register or read off of a specific register. When we turn writing enable on, we are able to write whatever the input is to that register. If we turn it off, we cannot write to that register. Let's go to register 7, and we can see that this is reading off of register 7 and it currently contains nothing. But if we have writing enable turned on, it will store this and it will read off of that as well. Okay, here we can see that it is reading a 15, and now let's turn it off and let's go back to register 0. and we can see that a 1 is still stored in register 0. And this is overall how a file register works. It is the basic memory unit. With this lab, we were able to create a register file. So a register is a type of memory device that stores data.